way back in 1845, even before the Civil War, Henry David Thoreau felt like we were way too busy. And so he went into the woods and just looked around. Spent a couple of years there writing stuff down in this little cabin. And so he wrote this book called Walden. And I think his key point was simplify. At Walden Backyards then, the whole idea for us is to help people find sanctuary in the backyard without the hassle, without the planning, without all the logistics of like planning a vacation. You don't have to plan that vacation. Just go into the backyard and relax and find that peace and sanctuary with friends and family. And we hope that we're providing products that make it simple, make it really easy to enjoy that time, that downtime with the folks you love. We'd love to sell you the world's best fire pit. But if you never buy a thing from us, that's okay too. If you at least take a moment, take the idea of taking a moment and relaxing and enjoying the backyard.